Hello everyone, you're very welcome back. My name is Sarah and I'm showing you how to make some fluid art paintings. And today we're going to be doing the biggest canvas that I've ever done to date, which is a 1.2 meter by 1 meter canvas. So it's a rectangular shape. This piece is called Cosmic Interlude and it's focused on the bond that I have with nature through the cherished relationships that I share with people in my life. So it's going to be very bright, very joyous, very vibrant, and that symbolizes the depth and beauty of these relationships with the people who are closest to me. And I thought it reminds us we can embrace change, and it allows us or inspires us to just ride the waves of life. So as usual, we're starting with a white base, and I'm just pouring this on, and then going to use the hairdryer to blow it out. And this will be sped up. Took a long time, but we'll just speed it up here. And also covering the edges. We want the paint to be able to free flow down across the edges. So we need the edges to be covered as well. And now comes the fun part, which is the vibrant colours. What I'm doing is I've paint mixed. I have lots of colours mixed here that you can't see. And I'm pouring colours into one cup. Picking it up, pouring it down the side of the cup. Picking the next cup up, pouring it down the side of the cup. And I'm just repeating this with the colours that I want to come out in one go. And first here I'm starting with a mix of orange and yellow. And I'm bringing that diagonally across the centre of the canvas. I want it to be in the centre, taking up a bit of space, because it reminded me of the sunrise and dipping. Next I'm bringing a bright pink ribbon underneath the solid line that I've put through the centre. And then above the centre line I'm bringing in blue colours here. This is followed then by a darker blue ribbon each side of the centre line. I'm working in sections now by adding green ribbons beneath each blue ribbon that I just put there. I'm bringing a darker band of green with purple here, still working in sections kind of mirroring above and below that centre line that I put there. And this wasn't something I planned or consciously thought of to do beforehand. It's just what happened in the moment with this piece. Now I'm placing a ribbon with the same orange and yellow as the centre line beneath the purple ribbon. Again here doing the same with the other purple ribbon, the other side of that centre line. Lots of mirroring. I'm following this up with pink patterns. These contain metallic pink, so very vibrant and shimmery. And I'm running another ribbon on top of the pink again to get the darker colour that's in the cup onto the canvas as well. I'm coming in here with the green, pink and the purple ribbon. Following this up then with a bright yellow streak. I'm placing a small streak of graphite here, another metallic colour. And here is a beautiful ribbon of metallic blue and silver. I love metallics, in case you couldn't tell. But for this piece I really did want the vibrancy, the shimmer, the metallic. Beneath this then I'm adding the same metallic pink with the purple ribbon as I did earlier. Same cup and everything. Now I'm adding a really thin streak of green and blue here. I'm adding the final touches now with the remaining paint from the green and blue cup. Applying very thin ribbons of this throughout the white base of the painting. I'm moving very slow here so I can make sure I'm very accurate with where I'm putting the paint, and that I don't want to cross over into any of the other ribbons that are already on the canvas either. I want to keep them nice and separate. And ta-da! This is the final piece. It's very bright, it's very beautiful, and I love it. Here are some of the close-up details. This is the painting, fully dried and varnished at one of my exhibitions. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Have a lovely weekend, and I will see you again next Friday. Bye!